Hello guys, in this video we're gonna check out three new updates Adobe released for XD yesterday, and these are not major updates, but these things are necessary updates which I wanted personally in Adobe XD. So let's get started. So let's just draw a rectangle and place it in the center. So let's make the corner radius 30 and remove the border. So let's just make the fill color to angular gradient. So this is the first feature we are experiencing here. So angular gradient is basically like you can change the gradient value and angle according to your choice. So this is the tool which really useful in Photoshop and other platforms. So now it's come to XD, so we can just make a quick illustration. So I'm speeding up the video right now, as you can see. So let's make this a cool mountain-like illustration. So I don't think this is an illustration, but just for a sec, you know, it goes that way. So yes, and let's do this, and this looks perfect. Yeah. So the next feature we are going to explore is the inner shadows. So for this, let's copy this and paste it in the center to make sure it's in the center. So I've already created a, so it's just fill the solid color, but I've created a color variable. So let's just pick the color up and let's just come into the and go to properties panel and click on inner shadows. So 3, let's expand it to 3 and we do FF white color and just increase the blur radius 30 and just to have right there. Yeah, this is what. So it looks like just like coming up, and then we grab the oval and yes, let's also fill this to the the border and let's just fill this to yeah under the color. So this will apply the inner gradient for this also. So this is basically like a simple mockup for an iPad or something. I don't call it a mockup, but this is how something is used now. So this is how you can use them in this. So let's create a text and it's iPad and yeah. So let's increase the size and make it closer. Make sure it's look like a mockup. So yeah. The third thing I want to say in XD, this is one of the good thing in this update. So whenever we make a path and we give the border to some size and let's give the color. Yeah, okay, this is okay. So if we shrink this, the border looks too big, and if we expand this, you can see that, right? So the border looks really thick compared to the original thing. If we shrink it more, it looks more big. So this is a really very big problem. So for this thing, Adobe XD has now come up with the outer stroke option, so where you can give it as an outer stroke and it will automatically change the border to a fill. So this feature was really helpful because in the previous in previous, so in XE we have to do this by like make a path and add another shape, subtract it and make it as a converted path, or else we have to go to the illustrator and we should make it. And this question, yeah, this is perfect. So this button looks clean. So little bit code and yeah, that was as I was talking. So we have to go to the illustrator. So it took more time. So let's just make a quick prototype with this thing we designed now. So go to the prototype menu and click on the select the solids. So and come back and explain it to you fully. So go to the prototype menu and wire it and make this to do transition and instead of dissolve let's go for slide. Yeah, So this will be perfect, and let's just play the prototype. And good. So guys, that's it for today's video, and let's hope we'll make this continue, and we will maximum share maximum try to make a video a week. So like, share and subscribe us, and follow us on Instagram. So the links are given down in the description. And thank you guys. Bye bye. Cheers. Love you.